urban spaces need a smart solution that collects excess water and safely directs it, protecting infrastructure and keeping life on track. That's where Astral Channel Pro steps in with a smarter, stronger way to collect excess surface water. Designed for today's urban challenges, Astral Channel Pro is ideal surface drainage system offering many benefits. Astral Channel Pro is available in different load classes. Class A, ideal for pedestrian and pedal cycle areas. Class B, ideal for footways, pedestrian areas, basements and car parks. Class C, ideal for roadside and low traffic areas. Class D, ideal for carriageways of roads, hard shoulders and parking areas for all types of road vehicles. Class E, ideal for areas with high wheel loads like ports and dockside zone. Astral Channel Pro comes in different sizes, providing the flexibility to match every installation requirement with ease. Installation of Astral Channel Pro is easy. Here is how you can set up Astral Channel Pro using required tools. Begin by marking a trench at the desired installation location. Excavate the trench according to the selected channel size and load class. Set a level reference line at the surface finish level based on the chosen channel. Set the foam work as per the required alignment. Pour the reinforced concrete foundation and level it uniformly. Allow the concrete to cure completely. Ensure the flow direction arrows on each channel face toward the channel outlet. Cut the end cap outlet or bottom outlet as per the installation requirement. After the foundation sets, apply a base layer of cement mortar of adequate thickness to embed the channel. Connect the channel firmly to the bottom outlet. Position the channel along the level line, maintaining a 3 to 5 mm gap below the finished surface level. Align the male and female ends of each channel section and join them securely. Apply masking tape on top to prevent debris from entering during backfilling. Backfill the sides with concrete. And compact it properly. Once the concrete sets, remove the masking tape. The installation is now complete. Astral Channel Pro is ready to deliver smooth and efficient water drainage. Use the side markings as a guide to cut the channel when connecting to the same or a smaller channel size. Apply Astral Channel Seal at the joints to ensure a watertight connection. A T-connection can also be created using the appropriate fittings to link channels securely as required.